Exciting ang Monday. Pinky, tsaka
Exciting.
Willard. No?
So ang pagpapatuloy ng Senate Blue Ribbon Committee hearing sa flood control scandal. Sorry.
Season 2 na.
Ha?
Season 2 na yan
Season
sa Monday.
Season 2 na yung sa
Episode
Monday.
Wala pa rin nakukulong.
Oo nga.
Big
At
time.
isasarado na yung ICI.
Oo.
Oo. So, wala pa rin nakukulong.
Oo.
Hindi, pero pinaghahanap silang lahat. Kaya lang nakaalis na silang lahat.
Hinahanap nila si dating Secretary Bonoan.
Nakaalis na.
Si dating Congressman Zaldico nasa Portugal daw, ayon kay
Okay.
Senator Ping.
Sino pa
At-
mawawala?
Sino pa ba?
Si Ginoong Atong Angay nawawala.
Oo.
These are all people na may warrants of arrest.
Oo.
So, yun ang pinapanawagan. So, kasi naman nauuna yung abiso na ipapa-arresto na sila. Kaya meron silang warning sign.
Meron
May due
silang
process
source.
naman pala eh.
May due process pala. Oo nga.
Pawarningan ka
Oh,
para
pero at
makapagtago.
least Senator Jinggoy came back.
Oo.
Oh,
Kasi
so you have
bumalik
to give
siya.
that to him.
Yeah.
Okay.
Bumalik siya from his trip and nag-appear siya before the Sandigan Bayan, di ba?
Yes. Oo.
Compliance.
So Monday should be quite interesting to those who have been following the hearings sa Senado. I'm sure that will start around 9. Isa pa. Magpapakita ba si Senator Amy?
Bakit?
Yun ang
Kasi
challenge ni Senator
nag-aaway
Ping.
sila ni Senator Ping.
Oo, di ba?
Eh, may trabaho pa rin sila, no? Kailangan nilang umappear.
Hindi kasi may sinabi si Senator Amy before na halos hindi sila nakapagsasalita. At hindi daw pinapayagan i-mention yung name ni dating Speaker Martin Romualdez. Kaya sumama ang loob ni Senator Ping. Sabi niya, that never happened under his watch. Kaya ang sabi niya, sana daw mag-attend siya sa Monday si Senator Amy. So
Bakit
let's see.
pinapakiusapan pa? Eh, bayad naman sila ng bayan para umattend.
Tama.
Right? I think Senator Amy has a better head on her shoulders than that. I'm sure mag-a-appear yan.
Tingin mo?
No, oo, tingin ko. Matapang yan eh, Senator Amy.
Lalo na kung may ebidensya, no? Mas magandang iharap na niya doon.
Oo, pero lalaking-lalaki si Senator Ping, ha?
Macho. Happy weekend, everyone.
Happy weekend!
Happy weekend!